Listen closely, because this could change everything you know about the Mustang GT. For nearly 2 decades, the 5.0-liter Coyote V8 defined what the modern Mustang truly is. Since its return in 2021, it has powered the GT with relentless evolution, becoming stronger, smoother, and more advanced with every generation. But now, new insider chatter suggests something major is happening behind the scenes at Ford. Something big enough to potentially replace the Coyote entirely. Multiple engineering leaks and early development whispers all point toward Ford working on an -. This new 5.0-liter engine for the Mustang GT. And this is not just another update. The signals suggest a full redesign, a complete reset of the platform. Some insiders are even calling it the true successor to the Coyote, not just the next version. That raises a serious question. Is the legendary Coyote reaching the end of its road? And if it is, what exactly is Ford planning next for Mustang performance? To understand that, you need to look at where the current engine stands today. The latest generation Coyote found in the current Mustang is already pushing boundaries. With up to 500 horsepower, advanced fuel systems, and refined internals, it stands as one of the most impressive naturally aspirated V-Benjines ever built. But according to engineers close to the program, it is nearing its limits. One insider explained it simply. The architecture has been stretched as far as it can go. You can improve it, but you cannot completely transform it anymore. That is the key issue. The foundation itself dates back over a decade, and even with upgrades, it carries design limitations from its original structure. Modern performance demands more, better cooling, stronger materials, improved airflow, and stricter efficiency targets all require a new approach. Engineers say trying to force those advancements into the existing platform only goes so far. At the same time, competition is getting stronger. Rival performance engines are evolving quickly, raising expectations across the board. Ford cannot afford to fall behind, especially with something as important as the Mustang. And that is exactly why this rumored new 5.0-liter engine matters so much. Now the big question is, what exactly could this new 5.0-liter engine look like? While Ford has not confirmed anything publicly, industry experts and insiders point to a few very realistic directions based on current development patterns. The most likely scenario is a completely new V8 architecture built from the ground up. This would mean a fresh block design, redesigned cylinder heads, and entirely updated internals. Engineers are reportedly exploring stronger aluminum construction with improved cooling, a lighter rotating assembly, and a more efficient combustion process. The goal is not just more power, but a smarter and more flexible engine platform. A clean sheet design would also allow Ford to rethink airflow completely. That means new intake and exhaust tuning, optimized valve angles, and better combustion chamber geometry. All of this translates to stronger performance, improved efficiency, and more room for future upgrades. Insiders also hint at advanced casting techniques that could reduce weight while increasing strength, which is critical for both performance and durability. Another possibility being discussed is adapting technology from Ford's larger truck engines like the 6.8 and 7.3-liter platforms and scaling it down to a 5.0-liter format. This could result in a pushrod-style V8 with strong low-end torque and a compact design. However, most experts believe this is unlikely for the Mustang GT since its identity is closely tied to high-revving dual overhead cam performance. The third option is a heavily revised version of the current engine, essentially a 5th-generation Coyote. This would include stronger components, improved airflow, and updated internals. But many engineers argue that this approach would only be a temporary solution. The current platform has already been pushed close to its limits, and a full redesign makes more sense for long-term development. There is also growing discussion about forced induction. Some leaks suggest Ford has been testing twin-turbo V8 setups for years. While the Mustang GT will likely remain naturally aspirated to preserve its character, a turbocharged variant could appear in higher performance models. That would give Ford the flexibility to expand the Mustang lineup while keeping its core identity intact. So what kind of performance can you actually expect from this rumored new engine? Based on insider analysis and current trends, the next Mustang GT is likely targeting over 500 horsepower as a starting point, not a special version, but the baseline. Along with that, engineers are aiming for stronger mid-range torque, a higher reverend ceiling, and improved thermal stability under aggressive driving. For context, today's Mustang GT sits just under that mark, while higher trims push slightly beyond it. If Ford delivers a completely new 5.0-liter platform, exceeding that level across the board becomes much more achievable. And in today's performance market, those numbers matter more than ever. Timing also plays a critical role here. Ford typically updates its engine architectures on a long cycle, and the current timeline aligns perfectly with a major refresh. The Mustang's mid-cycle update is expected around Arsenling-Arshchi, making it the ideal moment to introduce something this significant. Early supplier movement and prototype activity further support that idea. But beyond numbers and timelines, there is something even more important at stake. The feeling. Experts agree that the Mustang must keep its emotional core alive. That means instant throttle response, a linear power band, high reverend excitement, and that unmistakable V8 sound. These are the qualities that define the Mustang experience, and Ford understands how critical they are. Despite the industry shifting toward electrification, analysts believe this new engine is designed for the long term. Some projections suggest it could carry the Mustang well into the next decade. Demand for V8 performance is still strong, and the Mustang's identity depends on it. For enthusiasts, this could be a turning point. A stronger, more advanced engine platform opens the door for better tuning potential, more reliable performance builds, and a new wave of innovation in the aftermarket scene. In the end, if these leaks turn out to be true, this is not just another upgrade. It is the beginning of a new era for the Mustang GT and possibly the true successor to the legendary Coyote. Think about what that really means. The Coyote engine has been the heartbeat of the Mustang GT for nearly 15 years. It has powered countless road trips, drag strip passes, and late-night cruises. It has a sound that enthusiasts can identify from a block away. Replacing it is not a small thing. It is a decision that Ford engineers have likely debated, tested, and agonized over for years. And if they are truly moving forward with an all-new 5.0-liter V8, it is because they believe the future demands something better, something stronger, something that can carry the Mustang's legacy into a new generation of performance. For the average driver, this might just look like another spec sheet update. But for those who live and breathe Mustang culture, this is everything. It means the V8's not dying. It is evolving. It means Ford is investing real money and engineering talent into keeping the combustion engine alive in an era where everyone is rushing toward electrification. This is a bold statement. It says that while other manufacturers are backing away from big, powerful, naturally aspirated engines, Ford is doubling down. They are betting that there will always be a market for a car that makes you feel something every time you turn the key. And let us be honest, the aftermarket world is already buzzing. Tuners are already speculating about what this new platform could handle. Will the bottom end be stronger? Will the heads flow better? Will there be room for larger throttle bodies, more aggressive cam profiles, and higher red lines? If the rumors about improved cooling and stronger internals are accurate, this could be the most tuner-friendly Mustang engine in years. That means more horsepower, more reliability, and more possibilities for anyone who wants to make their Mustang truly their own. So while the Coyote will always hold a special place in Mustang history, Its successor might just be the engine that defines the next decade of American muscle. And if Ford pulls this off, if they deliver a new 5.0-liter V8 that is more powerful, more efficient, and more exciting than anything before it, then the Mustang GT will not just survive. It will thrive. That is not just an upgrade, that is a legacy in the making. And for anyone who loves the sound of a V8 full song, that is something worth getting excited about.